welcome to another insightful episode of EdNews. But before we dive into today's headlines, there is an exciting addition to our lineup. Canam Consultants is currently hosting their 33rd Canadian Universities and Colleges Admission Fair and Workshop, the largest and longest running event of its kind. Students will get a chance to directly connect with university representatives from leading Canadian universities, explore scholarship options, and gain valuable insights directly from the experts. Visit the Canam website to register yourself for pre-priority passes. Now, moving to the headlines. Survey shows Indian students remain drawn to Australia for high-quality education despite immigration policy changes. European Commission unveils blueprint for European degree enhancing mobility and cooperation across Europe. Inside 250 hosts global dialogue exploring AI's impact on market research. Experts warn of overhyped pitfalls and call for ethical oversight. Canada implements new minimum wage increase across provinces and territories, providing a significant boost for international students. Ontario allocates 96% of permit application to public post-secondary program in high-demand areas for international students. Despite recent shift in Australia's immigration policy, Indian students are still drawn to the country for its high-quality education. That's right, according to a recent survey by Pearson Migrant and Student Study, a whooping 72% of Indian students are choosing Australia primarily for their high-quality education. And it's not just their education that they're after. The survey also highlighted Australia's reputation as a safe and welcoming environment, with 58% of respondents acknowledging this factor. Plus, with 43% of participants citing promising employment post-graduation, it is clear that Australia is seen as a land of opportunity for Indian migrants. Australia's appeal lies not only in its educational excellence but also in the promising career prospect it offers to skilled migrants and international students. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about Canada's recent minimum wage increases, which is making waves for international students. Canada's federal minimum wage has increased to $17.30 per hour, providing a much needed financial boost for international students. And it's not just at the federal level. Provinces like Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, and Yukon are all stepping up with their wages hiked too. In Prince Edward Island, the minimum wage is now at $15.40 per hour, while Nova Scotia and New Brunswick are close behind with $15.20 and $15.30 per hour respectively. The increases ensure that students working part-time jobs are fairly compensated and can maintain a better quality of life during their academic journey. With British Columbia set to follow the suit with a minimum wage increase of $17.40 per hour starting June 1, 2024, the outlook for international students in Canada is promising. Stay tuned to EdNews for more updates on how these changes are positively impacting international students around the country. Moving on, let's talk about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on market research. In a thought-provoking exploration hosted by Crispin Bale, Chief Executive of Insight 250, a diverse panel of global experts delved into the complexities of artificial intelligence and its implication on market research in an article for the Insights Association. With opinion varying widely on the risks and rewards of AI integration, the discussion provided valuable insights into the evolving landscape of technological innovation. During the dialogue, experts from around the world share their perspectives on the potential pitfalls and promises of AI. Arundhati Dandapani, professor at Humber College and founder of Generation1.ca in Canada, cautioned against the potential pitfall of AI-generated data, emphasizing the critical need of human oversight in ensuring data ethics and integrity. Her insights were shared by fellow panelists who highlighted the importance of maintaining a balance between AI-driven automation and human judgment in research methodologies. As the conversation unfolded, it became evident that while AI holds immense potential to revolutionize market research practices, responsible implementations and ethical considerations are paramount. What are your thoughts in the impact of AI in market research? Share your insights in the comments below. Now coming to the big news. The European Commission has recently unveiled a plan for a European degree. That's right, the plan is designed to streamline the process for students wishing to pursue their education in different European countries. This initiative aims to simplify the study abroad programs and cut down on bureaucratic hurdles. Under this plan, universities will be able to collaborate more easily to offer joint degree programs. This means students can study in multiple countries while earning a degree that is recognized across Europe, which I think is a huge advantage in today's job market. And it's not just talks. The European Commission is actively supporting the plan, offering incentives and resources to make it happen. It is a big step forward for international students planning to study in Europe. Lastly, let's touch down on Ontario's efforts to support international students studying in critical areas. Ontario recently announced the allocation of 96% of permit application to publicly assisted colleges and universities, focusing on high-demand areas like skilled trades, health, human resources, STEM, hospitality, and childcare. The remaining 4% permits are allocated to language schools, private universities, and other institutions to support Ontario's labour market needs. That's right, the province has been taking measures to ensure positive and rewarding experience for international students, including housing guarantees and mental health support. The introduction of Strengthening Accountability and Student Support Act 2024 aims to enhance the student experience and increase transparency of fees, benefiting all students, including international students. Eligible international students may apply for postgraduate work permit after graduating from designated learning institutions in Canada. Overall, these initiatives aim to attract top talent while providing a supportive environment for students to excel in their academic and personal growth. And with that, we conclude another insightful episode of EdNews. Stay ahead of the curve and follow us for all your daily dose of educational updates and insights. Also, make sure to secure your spot at the Canadian Education Fair and Workshop by registering yourself at www.canamgroup.com. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember to join us every Friday. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to EdNews for all your educational updates.